Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset Realme 9i smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Okay, slide down to power off. Okay, now it has successful power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it and release. Okay, now the volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Okay, now select the language. Okay, it will send you in the Realme UI recovery. Okay, here you can see. Now here select wipe data, so you can see wipe data, retain contacts, messages and photos, and format data. Okay, now go to format data and confirm. So here you can see format data, please enter verification code 2795. Okay, now enter it 2795. So here you can see format data, all user data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations. So you can see wiped successfully. Okay, now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme 9i smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any queries, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.